Hello and welcome to the latest topic of graphological constituency or analysis of text at the level of graphology. A text can be studied at three levels. The first is phonology, second is graphology, third is lexicogrammar. Now we are going to talk about graphological constituency. Now the term graphological is adjective, its noun form is graphology. Constituency is noun and no need to explain about it. Now we are going to talk about the definition of graphology, the study of a writing system as well as printed symbols of a language. What is constituency? Compositional structure of language. We move on to the next. Graphological constituency, it has different orders, it has different constituencies, different ranks. The first is sentence, second is subsentence, third is word, fourth is later. Now we are going to talk about each one of them in detail, as we have the first one sentence, second subsentence, third word, fourth later. Now what is sentence? Here we are not going to talk about sentence in the traditional sense of definition. Here we are going to explain sentence from the perspective of graphology. So what we find, it begins with a capital letter, it ends with a major punctuation mark such as full stop, question or exclamation mark. Now next is subsentence. It is bounded by some intermediate punctuation marks within a sentence such as colon, semicolon or comma. Now we are going to talk about word. It is a single, distinct, meaningful element of a speech or writing. It is typically shown with a space on either side when written or printed. Later, it is a character representing one or more of the sounds used in a speech. It could be any of the symbols of an alphabet too. Now we move on to the table where we have the examples of graphological constituency, sentence, subsentence and word. Look at, we have the sentence and we have the subsentence and we have the word categories, and the example is little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet eating her curds and whey. There came a bigger spider which sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. So we see the sentence, how the sentence is divided. The one sentence is very long, then it is divided into subsentence, then the subsentence is further divided into word, and then we have the letter A, and like this. So this is the example of how graphological constituency could be represented in the form of a table. I hope we have understood. Thanks.